Hello everyone, welcome to my daily blog. So today I'm going to apply marble nail art without water, and I'm sure you will love this because it's very easy method to make marble nail art. So first of all, I'm using false nails because my nails are small and marble nail art will not look good on small nails. It might look good, but I'm trying it because I need to make this. I'm making this video just so that everyone can see how to use the marble nail art. And in small nails it will be difficult. So I have used this glue sticker, which is easily available in market. You just need to just press it firmly on nails so that it will get stick, and then use this false nails. This is also easily available. You can get it on Blinkit and Amazon, and just remove the top cover of the sticker and then apply this false nail. If you stick it properly, then it will work for like almost like 8 to 10 hours, or maybe more than that. But sometimes it's painful because in case if the nails are larger in size, you can see that this nail is like little bit larger in the size, so it's little bit painful. So mostly I wear it for 6 to 7 hours, and after that I remove it. It's easy to remove. I'll make another video for that. And now I'm going to apply this base coat. Basically this is from top coat 3-in-1 from Plum, which you can use in base coat as well. Base coat basically gives strength to your nails, and it's just protect your nails. Now I'm applying this base coat on my all nails. So now I'm going to use multiple colors. So this is from Mars. It's blue color. So I'll just put it like kind of droplets on my nails. Okay. Then I'll use another color, which is yellow. This is also from Mars. I really like this brand because the bottles are very cute. So on my second nail I'm using the yellow color as a drops. Maybe you can just like try to take small quantity of nail polish, otherwise it will get spread all over your nails. So you can see that it's getting spread, so I'll remove it later on. Now I'm using some glitters nail polish as well. Okay, now use any I'm using this nail tool, okay, to mix it, and just mix it properly, and you can see this modern nail art is ready. Now this is the UV LED nail lamp, which helps in drying nail polish. So I'll remove the extra nail polish from my nails. You can see this is looking so beautiful, and it's just ready for party wear nail art. So in this I have used blue color more. So since we use the blue and yellow, so it's giving a greenish look. And in this finger I have used blue more and less yellow, and it's looking like this. Now this is the final look of my left hand. This is the final look. You can see it's looking so beautiful. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.